like how you can be motivated like 24 hour, like bro, first of all this thing is not possible, like being motivated 24 hour is not possible, bro. First thing you have to understand, like this is not humanly possible. Then Anshul bro, like how to be disciplined, bro? The disciplined people are also like, they are not disciplined like every time, bro. Like sorry, they are not every time. I mean to say ki bhai, the disciplined people are also not motivated 100% of the time. Then the question comes ki how disciplined person actually are disciplined, bro. एक motivation भी नहीं चीज है, but discipline कैसे लेके आओ, bro? If you are doing something, and if you want to like do that thing consistently every day, the only one thing will help you is like enjoying the process, bro. The journey itself will help you. द एंड रिजल्ट भाई मोटिवेशन आ जाएगा चले जाएगा, तुम डिसिप्लिन के लिए अपने आप को फोर्स कर सकते हो, बट द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज ब्रो लाइक इज लाइक एंजॉयिंग द जर्नी, ब्रो. You loving the journey, that is the most important part, bro.